Hi guys, today we will be learning that what is Django, and we will be also learning how to create a simple project in Django. Now Django is a web framework which is written in Python. It is mainly used for rapid and clean programmable design. Now Django uses MVC architecture, which means model, view and controller. There are three files basically. One is model, which deal with database. Second is controller, which holds a business logic. View is the file which is used to give the output which is visible to the user. Now what are the main common areas in which Django is used? Django is basically used for making dynamic websites. It is also used to make REST APIs. For what I mean by REST API is these are basically the HTTP requests which are consumed by the front end, for example mobile and web page, to show data and perform various actions. Now how do I install Django? To install Django, this is very simple command, pip install Django. Now the command to make your Django project is Django admin start project and then your project name. Now how do I run my Django project? After we create a Django project, we need to go to that project and we need to run command python manage py run server ip colon your port. Now let's move on the practical. So this is my desktop. First of all, I will create virtual environment which I taught in previous lecture. Python 3 hyphen m vm. This command will create virtual environment for me. Let's see. Okay. Now we need to activate this. Okay. Now if you see, I have created successfully my virtual environment. Now I will install Django. Pip install Django. Now this will install Django in my virtual environment. Okay. After this, if it is successfully installed, then we can run the command to create Django project. Django admin start hyphen project and project name tutorial. Okay. Oops. Django project. Okay. Now we'll see there is one folder created tutorial. Let's go inside it. CD tutorial. Now we have a manage.py file. Now let's run this project. Python manage py run server 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. Now if we open this IP inside our browser, you guys should see this Django page. That means you have successfully created a Django project. Now we will be further learning more about Django in our next tutorial. Till then guys, keep watching and stay up.